Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with trending stories. Well, guys, niyazi kuseyisikhathi ama graduations, but ke yabona ke i-UKZN when it comes to ama graduations, guys, yenza sure ukuthi they allow the parents to celebrate ngendlela abafuna ukucelebrate ngayo. They allow nabafundi to celebrate ngendlela ke abafuna ke ukucelebrate ngayo. I can just say nje ukuthi they understand ukuthi ke abanye bathi befika lapha yana kusuke bedlule ezintweni ke ezinzima kangakanani. So guys, namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngale nkosazana bakithi sibone itrend einkundleni zokuxhumana. Igama layo ke uNokuthula. Guys, uNokuthula wakadlamini bathi ke ungwase Pietermaritzburg. So she captured inhliziyo zabantu kakhulu after ke ebonakale ke ekhala kwi graduation yakhe. Uthi ke she had attended the graduation without ingubo entsha ngoba bekade bengakwazi ukuyi-afforda. Uma wakhe ke usebenza as informal trader, so uyazazi inkinga zasekhaya. So nje she just wanted to be present kwi graduation yakhe, but azange afuna ukuhlupha uma wakhe ngapha kusafanele bathole transport yokuhamba bekwi graduation. Uyabona nje bekukuningi, but nje uthi nje uvele wangakwazi ukuyibamba mangabe ebona ngempela semukela her certificate, her degree. Wabona nje ukuthi yazini yo like ngempela ke sifikile la. So guys, bengenzanga ikhanda, bengenzanga amazipho, bengenzanga bengathenganga ingubo entsha. So nje bathola imali bahamba boharisha i-graduation gown, base beyahamba ke baya kwi-graduation gown yakhe. So guys, abantu ke they were very touched by indlela ke azi presente ngakhona after graduation, indlela bekhala ngakhona. You could tell ukuthi ke kuningi obekusengqondweni yakhe. So ke yena yabazi ke abantu base South Africa bakithi ukuthi they want everyone to be happy. Abanye bathi cha sizokusa uyoshoota for graduation photos, sizokwenza ikhanda, sizokwenza makeup. Like guys, they celebrated her and she was very happy, and uyambona ukuthi ubejabule ngampela. So we just want to say thank you to everyone ke abalule isandla to make her day special, even more special, guys. Wow, yo yazi nama sengibona ama video ngiyabona waze wamuhle, bevele muhle guys. Even kade ke enga makeup angenzanga lo, she's just beautiful, she's just a beautiful girl nje. Even ngaphandle kwalezi zinto ke akade sibemfake zona, but ke ezingane I know ukuthi nawo befuna ukuba muhle, and the South Africans, thank you so much. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and usho nje amazwi ambalwa kusisi ke omncane sifise ngazuthi ke angathola ke umsebenzi ukuze ke akwazi ukutakula umama nokumenza ke ajabule empilweni. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave a comment below and share your opinion. Bye.